This is a garden sprayer. Most garden sprayers will work, but this particular one happens to be a Scott garden sprayer. I pop the handle off, it presses together. There's a little switch in here that turns the water on and off. But what I want to do is remove this end, so I'm going to put it in hot boiling water for a moment, just pull it off. Then I'll take the little fittings that come with the filtered water faucet and attach it. Then when we're done, this pump will go into our home converted van as the water source. So we'll have 2 gallons of water. Just pump it up a little bit. You can brush your teeth, wash your hands, do little dishes if you use a small amount of dishes. It isn't drinking water, but it does make the van into kind of a live-in for 2 or 3 days while you're out camping. A few minutes in the hot boiling soapy water will make it much easier to pull this little piece of hose off. Be sure to put the nut and washer on before you add on the little ferrule in the end, otherwise it won't happen. Now that your connections are attached to your lawn sprayer, and again, this is not for drinking water. Now that you're attached to the lawn sprayer, you can put the faucet into the cabinet and just screw it on, and you're done. You have running water in your van. The sink is made from a small catering pan, which I dimpled and then put a plug for the extra hole on a sink, the hole that you don't intend to use, which I drilled some holes in it so that it drains. So I made this little drain, and this brass fitting will fit onto it, and then with the aid of a little boiling water, it'll fit on there quite easily, and we'll have a removable system which will give us cold running water with a faucet and a 2-gallon tank, which in this particular van will sit a little more artistic right there behind the seat, and you pump it and you get your pressure, so you have pressurized water.